Caribbean?
No, it's Mermaid's Grotto.
Oh, no.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, fish love sparkling. Beautiful. Ooh, sparkling. Oh. Hey, can I borrow that when you're done? Okay, let's move on. Oh, it's late. Are you tired? Yeah, me too. It's been a long day with these crabs. Where did I put that thing that I look for every morning? No, I can never find it. Hey, there it is.
Dentro del vehículo y vigile a los niños. Gracias.
Hello there, my friends. You're about to go under the sea. So, for your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs, flippers, and fins inside your clamshell. And keep an eye on the little ones. They can't be everywhere, you know.
Bienvenidos todos. Están a punto de sumergirse en el mar. Así que, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies, piernas y caderas dentro del vehículo y vigilen a los niños.
And watch your step.
That's what this story's all about. Hey, where you been? I've been waiting for you. Oh, this is such a great story about how Ariel became a human with that Ursula. Oh, she's so mean. I'll make you human if you give me a voice, she says. Ariel gets all flubber. You know how she's trying to play. Really sorry.
Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs moving wider for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of the world. I got gadgets and gizmos and pleasures.
Fishing before it's lucky. We're surfing. One day when the girls get hungry, yes, you will be on the beach. Go under the sea. Under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in Frigacy. We want the land folks off the cook. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no trouble. Life with the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is union, we got to be taken to a meal. Even the split and the rain. They get the edges of the rain. We got to spirit, you got to hear it under the sea. Play the flute, the harp, the harp. Please play the bass and bass on the chop. The brass play the brass, the chop play the top. The flute is the flute of soul. He can play the main song, the string, the drum, barking out the blackfish, the stick, the snare, and the splat. They know where it's at, and know that glow is bright.
Yes, I do. Paduka Saruka on winds of the Caspian Sea. Now raises glossitis, next laryngitis, now voce to me. I admitted in the past I've been nasty. They were kidding when they called me well a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've ended all my ways, repented, simplified, and made a switch. Yes.